up since 5 because Evie has been feeling a little sick these past few days. I took her out at 5. The thing is, there is currently a snowstorm and I believe that the temperature has changed a little these past couple days, resulting in me getting sick. So I have like a massive sore throat and it's massively painful. So today we're staying home, taking care of myself because I feel like I've been pushing myself a little too hard. Not even doing like anything extravagant, but just being sleep deprived. I didn't care as much for myself. My body was like way too tired. I'm gonna work from home, actually from the couch. I'm gonna make myself breakfast. This morning I'm making thyme tea because it has like a bunch of antibacterial properties. I've never had it before. I've seen it online. Seems legit. I'm just gonna put a little bit because we have no idea how this is gonna taste. So I don't want to overdo it. I actually read that the juice of pineapple is super good for like mucus and for sore throat. I happen to have a pineapple, so I decided to cut it. It actually looks pretty good. Then I have my tea waiting for me, my water. This is where I'm going to be for the rest of the day, probably, with Evie. Hi! I think at 2 today I have therapy as well, so it's gonna be a big chunk of my day emotionally. I still have to work because I've been slacking these past few days. Probably talk to friends before therapy because there's this weird thing. Every time I have therapy, right after, I don't want to talk to anyone. I don't want to see anyone, so I don't know how to eat. Look at that. I always freaking do that. You know how most of the time when you're sick, you're supposed to like take it slow and rest, which I get. The thing is like, I want to be so productive. It's ridiculous, I know, because you guys know that I'm like so anti-productivity, but like I had a little bit of sleep last night compared to like the nights before, and I just feel like I can do so much today. I think I'm probably gonna be productive half of the day, and then once therapy is done, I'm just gonna take it very slow. I've been up since 5 and I have like a very big peak of energy right now. Okay, let's try this tea that I've never tried before. It's actually not bad. I think I was expecting like something so much worse than this, but it's actually not bad, I swear. Okay, while I'm at it, I'm gonna be preparing the chicken soup and I'm gonna let it simmer and I'm gonna let it cook for a very long time. And I need thyme, salt and pepper. The chicken is here. I need potatoes, carrots, and chicken stock. So I'm gonna let this cook for a while and I'm gonna be taking Evie out because I have the feeling that she wants to go out. So chicken soup is made, so I have the carrots, the potatoes, the chicken, some bay leaf, some spices. What else is in there? Chicken broth. So this has been marinated for the past 3 hours. And now it's actually noon, so I'm gonna have lunch. Yummy! Okay, so I think right now it's actually 1 p.m. I think I'm actually gonna watch a little bit of TV. I'll probably have some soup after therapy. I'm not sure I'll vlog. I hope you guys have a good day and we will see you next week. Bye!